What is happening, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Yeah. So we back. I'm gonna be power washing the engine bay and the motors tonight, and I only got like an hour to do it. So let's get to it. Alright, so who's got two thumbs and just figured out how to do a voiceover? This guy. I'm pointing to myself with my thumbs. So basically, we're having a lot of problems getting the car up the last couple of feet there. You can kind of see my feet slipping every time we try to do something like that, because the driveway is just coated with all the oily grime and soapy water. I know it doesn't look really like wet on the driveway, but just having that caked up gritty, oily film on it wasn't helping at all. And I don't know what kind of push I was gonna do like that. I was just super frustrated at this point. Like, you know what? Just use the leaf, get it done. I should have just. I had this idea in the first place. My dad's like, "No, I'll help you," and you know, even right there, it's like, "What are you doing? Like, the car's gonna be doing all the lifting here." So I tell him to get the wheel chock out of the way, and he puts it back in the way of the leaf. I end up hitting it like right there. I'm like, "Get that shit out of there!" I don't know what he was thinking. So yeah, we pushed it up the rest of the way with the car. The leaf serves a purpose finally. And gotta make sure that the car isn't too far over to the right there before I finish the job. Look at that leaf, look at all that horsepower. But yeah, that was pretty much it. Alright, good job. Okay. We did it. Yay. The power of the leaf. Alright. Alright, so we're back in the garage. Got all the motors in the garage. Got the cars back in the driveway. And it's, man, are you serious? How is this, like, still dirty? I power washed this thing, but whatever. It's better than what it was, I guess. Definitely not worth all the effort and all the but yeah, so that's gonna do it for this video, you guys. So yeah, the video's gonna end here, you guys. There's just nothing really informational in this video at all, except for, you know, maybe the fact that you could use pool floaties to be a buffer between bumpers so you don't scratch up anything. But I'll continue the rest of the D-Series in the next video. Stay tuned. Peace out. Let me know if you like these voiceovers. Yurt.